power developed by IC engine. So a heat engine, and as well as IC engine, the purpose of this engine is to develop some power for some useful work. Work is done by the IC engine, and accordingly one is indicated power. It is also called IP, and also sometimes it is called IHP, that means indicated horsepower. In metric unit it is called IHP, in SI unit it is called IP. And there is another power is called frictional power, and one is brake power, BP or BHP, similarly FP or FHP. So originally the power is developed inside the cylinder during the stroke called expansion stroke or power stroke or work stroke. So in this stroke the power is developed and the piston is pushed downwards from TDC to BDC. So this is the length of stroke represented by L under some pressure P. Pressure P means force. Force into distance is work done. So that work developed inside the cylinder during the power stroke or working stroke is called indicated power. So the indicated power is developed inside the cylinder, and this power ultimately it goes to the crankshaft. That is why crankshaft rotates. So ultimately the power goes to the crankshaft, and the power available at the crankshaft is called the brake power, BP, or brake horsepower, BHP. And this brake power or BHP is less than the indicated power developed inside the cylinder, because some power is lost due to friction and some other activities like pumping, camshaft and so on, and that power is considered in a single entity called the frictional power. Although the term friction is used, this is not the only frictional power loss. There are some other losses also, say pumping. For pumping also, fuel pump or so, the power is taken from the crankshaft. So rest power which is available at the crankshaft for use is called BHP. So let's see what is IHP, BHP and FHP. So the indicated power of an IC engine is the power developed inside the engine cylinder. We have already mentioned the power developed inside the cylinder, and this power is developed when? During the power stroke, expansion stroke or working stroke. So this power is responsible for piston movement. So this power is given to the piston. The power developed inside the cylinder goes to the piston. Now it is available in the piston, and ultimately it will go to the crankshaft. So the power developed by an engine at the output shaft, the crankshaft is also called the output shaft. This is also known as output shaft. So the power available at this output shaft or crankshaft is called the brake power. It is called BP or BHP. BHP means brake horsepower. Brake horsepower. IHP means indicated. Actually is indicated power or indicated horsepower. ক্ৰেংকশ্বাফ্টত যিখিনি পাৱাৰ এভেইলেবল আছে তাক ব্ৰেক পাৱাৰ কয় বা ব্ৰেক হৰ্চ পাৱাৰ কয় আৰু যিটো পাৱাৰ অৰিজিনেলি ডেভেলপ হৈছে ইনচাইড দ্য চিলিণ্ডাৰ কিয় ডেভেলপ হয় ইনচাইড দ্য চিলিণ্ডাৰ বিকজ অফ দি কম্বাশ্যন অফ দি ফুয়েল that heat energy is converted to work and that is transferred to the piston and from piston it will go to the connecting pin crank rod and ultimately it is available at the crank shaft or output shaft. So this can be represented like this. So how the power is available inside the cylinder? Cylinder ভিতৰত power কেনেকৈ available হয়? Because of the combustion of the fuel. So this energy is called heat and this heat is derived from by burning fuel. So fuel is burned, that means fuel is a chemical energy and that can be represented like this. So originally the energy is in fuel and this fuel is burned by combustion inside the cylinder and that will produce heat energy and that heat energy is converted to work which is actually the IHP. So from this fuel energy it will be IHP. So we already know the heat, whole of the heat is not converted to work. Only a part of the heat is converted to work in a heat engine. So, although this amount of heat was produced by burning the fuel, so rest is lost and this amount is available as indicated power. That means this power is already developed inside the cylinder and that pushes the piston downwards. Then again, this power now available at the crankshaft. So before then, so energy lost in the exhaust also during cooling and radiation, out of this energy, this amount of energy is lost and this amount of energy is converted to work. So out of Q1, আমি আগতে পাইছিলো Q1, Q2 is rejected and W equal to Q1 minus Q2. This is the principle of heat engine. Total amount energy ভিতৰত এটা part energy, heat energy is converted to work, net work output. So this is work done in the form of IHP. Now what is brake power? Power available at the crankshaft is again less than this IHP and this amount is lost. Energy lost কেনেকৈ হয়? In friction, during pumping, etc. etc. So at the first place there is loss due to the exhaust. The exhaust gases carries some heat. That means that heat is not utilized and not converted to work. And also some heat is lost by cooling system. The coolant carries the heat from the engine and there is some loss due to the radiation and so on, any type of loss. So from that we get some amount of useful work that is called the indicated power and this indicated power is not 100% transmitted to the crankshaft. Crankshaft তাতকৈ বহুত অলপ কম আহে কিয় হয় frictional loss হয় friction between piston and cylinder, friction in the crank pin, friction in the piston pin, that means gudgeon pin, also in the big end bearing or এনেকুৱা pin বিলাকত loss হয় and also some amount of torque is utilized by the camshaft and camshaft runs some pumps, valves, etc. So this way there are some loss of energy. That is why the available energy is called the crankshaft G2 আছে, that is called the brake power. This is like your income. Say you have some income and out of this income you have some savings and in between there are some loss exactly there are some expenditures. After that this is available for other uses. Also in case যিবিলাকে চাকৰি কৰে তোমালোকে দেখিবা there is some called gross income থাকে তাৰমানে হিমানখিনি কিন্তু দৰমহা তেও নাপায়, স্যালাৰি হিচাপে তাতকৈ কম পায়, কি কৰে ডিডাকশন হয় আৰু যেটো তেওঁ একচুয়ালি ড্ৰ কৰে পায় that is called a net income. So this gross income is IHP and this net income is BHP and this deduction is like FHP. So this way we will discuss what is IHP, FHP and BHP in details. So what is frictional HP? FHP is what? As a formula we can write. So IHP is the power developed inside the cylinder, IP, and that is equal to BP brake power plus FP, FHP, or IHP and BHP. We can also write BP is equal to IP minus FP. That means crankshaft যেটো power available আছে that is equal to what? IHP cylinder ভিতৰত যিখিনি power develop হৈছে minus FP, the loss due to friction, pumping, etc. etc. So BP is equal to IP minus FP. Work done. What is work done in a engine? Work done কেনেকৈ উলিয়াম আমি IHP will try to calculate the IHP বা IP. কেনেকৈ calculate কৰিম? This is the power developed inside the cylinder. So for this, the piston moves from TDC to BDC during the expansion stroke and length of the stroke is L. So work done is equal to, in simply we can say force into distance. So that is the basic formula for work done, and in this case also that will be the formula, only the form will be slightly different. What is power developed inside the cylinder? Work done on the piston. Actually power pressure developed inside the cylinder and then some work is done on the piston. Then this power is transmitted to the crankshaft. So on the piston kiman hoy? Work done is equal to force multiplied by the displacement. What displacement? The displacement of the piston from TDC to the BDC. And what is the force? Directly we cannot calculate force inside the cylinder, but we can measure pressure. So force equal to pressure into area. So pressure into area will give the force, and displacement is length of the stroke, or simply it is called the stroke. Now this can be written like this also: pressure multiplied by area into displacement. So what is area? The cross sectional area of the cylinder. And what is displacement? Displacement from TDC to the BDC. So this is L and this is A. That will give you what? Area into length, that we have discussed earlier. Area into displacement or length is equal to volume. So pressure into volume means force into distance. Same thing. Force into distance means distance mane hol cylinder or piston arrangement organe, that means pressure into volume. So the finally we get work done is equal to pressure into volume. And what is volume? Is this volume is dV, that means change in volume. TDC pora BDC le jaunte kiman khini volume change hoise. Now this pressure is an important term. Just imagine what is the pressure inside the cylinder during expansion stroke. Working stroke cylinder ভিতৰত pressure কিমান থাকে? একেই থাকে নে বাৰু? কম বেছি হৈ থাকে?
স্যার চেঞ্জ হ'ব।
চেঞ্জ হ'ব। প্ৰশান্ত কি কোৱা?
স্যার চেঞ্জ হ'ব স্যার প্ৰেছাৰ।
চেঞ্জ হ'ব। একে নাথাকে। প্ৰথমে যিমান প্ৰেছাৰ আছিল এক্সপানশন হৈ গৈ থাকোতে প্ৰেছাৰ কমি যাব। That means আমাৰ যেটো ফৰ্মুলা P into dV বা P into V, এই প্ৰেছাৰটো ফিক্স প্ৰেছাৰ হ'ব লাগে। That is why প্ৰেছাৰ যদি চেঞ্জ হয় আমাৰ অলপ অসুবিধা হয় ক্যালকুলেশন কৰিবলৈ। So we have to estimate some mean effective pressure. Mean means average, effective মানে বেছিৰ পৰা প্ৰেছাৰ কমলৈ যায়। আমি এনেকুৱা এটা প্ৰেছাৰ লম যাতে that pressure is equivalent to the varying pressure. চেঞ্জ হৈ থকা প্ৰেছাৰটোৰ নিচিনাই যাতে একে প্ৰেছাৰ হয়, একে ধৰণৰ এফেক্ট হয় হেতু কাৰণে এটু কোৱা হয় এম mean effective pressure. It is in short called MEP. মনত ৰাখিবা হা এটু টার্ম ইম্পর্টেন্ট. What is MEP? Mean effective pressure. So mean effective pressure is defined as the hypothetical মানে আমি ধৰি লওঁ কিবা এটা pressure which is considered as or thought to be acting on the piston throughout the power stroke. অলপ আগতে ৰাকেশ আৰু প্ৰশান্তই কৈছে যে প্ৰেছাৰ চেঞ্জ হৈ থাকে গীতাশ্ৰীও কৈছে প্ৰেছাৰ চেঞ্জ হৈ থাকে কিন্তু সেই প্ৰেছাৰটো চেঞ্জ হৈ থাকে কিন্তু আমি কি ধৰিম হাইপোথেটিক্যাল এটা প্ৰেছাৰ ধৰিম যিটো নেকি চেঞ্জ নহয় এটা মিন এফেক্টিভ প্ৰেছাৰ পিএমছে এটা আমি কনষ্টেন্ট প্ৰেছাৰ আছে বুলি ধৰি লম বাট এইটোৱে আমাৰ পাৰফৰ্মেন্সটো একে ৰাখিব লাগিব এফেক্টটো একেই হ'ব কেনেকৈ হয় আমি এতিয়া ডিসকাস কৰিম হাউ ইট works. Okay, suppose there is a process in a PV diagram. So process expansion process this is expansion. আমি সাইকেলটোৰ পৰা অকল এক্সপানশন প্ৰসেসটো লৈছো ধৰি লোৱা 1 2 is expansion process from 1 to 2 ইয়াত আমি ডেফিনেটলি দেখিছো কি চেঞ্জ হৈছে ভলিউমটো বাৰু আমি থৈ দিলো ভলিউম চেঞ্জ হৈছে প্ৰেছাৰো চেঞ্জ হৈছে কিমানৰ পৰা কিমান প্ৰেছাৰ চেঞ্জ হৈছে ডায়াগ্ৰামৰ পৰা আমি পাওঁ the pressure is changing from কৰ পৰা কলৈ চেঞ্জ হৈছে P1 to P2 হয়নে P1 ৰ পৰা P2 লৈকে প্ৰেছাৰ চেঞ্জ হৈছে that means pressure is not fixed. At the same time, আমি আগতে কৈ আইছো area under the curve. এই কার্ভটোৰ আন্ডাৰত তলৰ পিনে কিমান এৰিয়া আছে that represent what? এই এৰিয়াটো কি ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰে under the curve কৈছো that represents the work done. That means PdV work done to এই এৰিয়াটোৱে ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰে যদি 1 2 is an expansion process তাৰ তলত যিখিনি এৰিয়া আছে সেই এৰিয়াখিনি যদি আমি মেজার কৰিব পাৰো that means that is equal to PdV work done integration of PdV from 1 to 2 that is called PdV work. So আমি যদি এনেকুৱা এটা এৰিয়া কনসিডাৰ কৰো যাৰ এৰিয়াটো এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ হ'ব equivalent area that means এইখিনি এৰিয়া আৰু এইখিনি এৰিয়া একে যদি হয় তেতিয়ালে this area is equal to this area আৰু ইয়াৰ প্ৰেছাৰ কিমান হ'ব তেতিয়া তাৰমানে প্ৰসেসটো হল 1 ৰ পৰা 2 এই 1 ৰ পৰা 2 যদি হয় এৰিয়া আন্ডাৰ দ্যাট কার্ভ is equal to 1 2 এটো জানিবা ইয়ালৈকে আহিব দেখাই আছো মই so piston moves from TDC to BDC V1 মানে হল TDC এটো মানে হল BDC ধৰা so this area and this area যদি একে হয় আৰু তেতিয়া যদি এয়াৰ প্ৰেছাৰ টু PM হয় then this pressure is called PM is mean effective pressure ইয়াত আমি গম পাইছো এই ডায়াগ্ৰামটোত প্ৰেছাৰ একে নাই 1 ৰ পৰা 2 লৈকে প্ৰেছাৰ চেঞ্জ হৈছে কিন্তু এই ডায়াগ্ৰামটোত 1 ৰ পৰা 2 লৈ প্ৰেছাৰ একে আছে that means constant pressure আৰু দুইটা এৰিয়া যেহেতু একেটাই এৰিয়া হয় এখিনি এৰিয়া হ'ব যেহেতু একেটাই একে সমান এৰিয়া that means আমি ধৰিব পাৰো যে 1 2 process to constant pressure process hypothetical বুলি কৈছো নহয় জাস্ট ধৰি লোৱা process 1 2 is a constant pressure process নহয় actually কিন্তু আমি ধৰি লৈছো আৰু তাৰ প্ৰেছাৰ কিমান equal to PM so this pressure is called mean গটিকে আমি যদি এটা ফিক্সড প্ৰেছাৰ বুলি ধৰো তেনেহলে work done কিমান হ'ব work done equal to mean effective pressure PM into dv means v বুলি ক'ব পাৰো ভলিউম কিমান চেঞ্জ হৈছে so that is equal to v equal to কিমান area into length বা আমি L into L লিখিব পাৰো so work done কিমান পাৰো PM L into N এটু এই ওয়ার্কখিনি কেতিয়া কৰে এটা কমপ্লিট সাইকেলত কৰে কিন্তু সেই সাইকেলটোত পাৱাৰ ষ্ট্ৰোক কেইটা থাকে any cycle has one power stroke. গতিকে per power stroke, that means এটা power stroke ইমানখিনি power develop কৰে. এটা power stroke means one cycle. Stroke যেইটাই নহওক, আমি stroke কোৱা নাই, এটা power stroke কৰে. 2 stroke হওক বা 4 stroke হওক, এটা cycleত এটা power stroke থাকে. আৰু 4 stroke হলে জানিবা এটা cycleত দুটা revolution আৰু 2 strokeত এটা cycleত এটা revolution. Power stroke কিন্তু একেটাই হ'ব. One cycle is one power stroke. এটা power strokeত বা এটা cycleত কিমান power develop হয় আমি গম পালো. পিষ্টনটো এবাৰ TDC ৰ পৰা BDC লৈ আহে. That means length of the stroke L, area of the cylinder A, PM is the mean effective pressure. So this is work done in a stroke, that is called a power stroke or working stroke or expansion stroke. And this amount of work is developed during the power stroke only. So গোটেই cycleটো যদি consider কৰো আমি ক'ব পাৰো in whole cycle this amount of work is developed. One cycle. That means one cycleot hoy eto develop. Now etia small n, this is small n. If n is number of power stroke per minute, eta engine jodi 1 minute n ta power stroke develop kore tetia kiman hobo? Eto ami palu eta power stroke n ta power stroke kiman hobo work done? N times hobo. So PM L A multiplied by n per minute, karon 1 minute n ta power stroke develop korise. So work done kiman palu? PM L A n work done per minute. 1 minute iman korise. Per second kiman hobo? 1 minute jodi kiman hoy 1 second divided by 60 koribo lagibo. So per second work done is equal to this much. So this is the formula for work done in an IC engine. Mean effective pressure. Etia koi jaba kone kowa PM mane hol mean effective pressure. Actually pressure fix na hoy kintu ami fixed pressure boli dhorisu, that is the mean effective pressure PM. What is L? L to ki
stroke line.
Stroke line. A Rahule kowa, what is A?
Area of the piston.
Area, cross sectional area of the piston or cylinder. Hai na?
So number of power stroke.
Number of power stroke ki bhalo re kowa?
Per minute.
Per
So
minute.
number of power stroke per minute.
Per minute. Good. Sobe monot rakhiba. Ta mane 1 minute n ta power stroke develop hoise boli dhori loa eta engine ot. Gotike ami kom 1 minute iman power develop koribo. এটা সাইকেলত এটা পাৱাৰ ষ্ট্ৰোকত ইমান এনটা পাৱাৰ ষ্ট্ৰোক যদি হয় ইমান হ'ব আৰু যদি সেকেন্ডত কব খোজো পাৰ সেকেন্ড ডিভাইডেড বাই 60 কৰিব তেতিয়া আমি কম ইন দিস মাচ অফ ওয়ার্ক ইজ ডান বাই দা ইঞ্জিন পাৰ সেকেন্ড সো আমি কি পাম ওয়ার্ক ডান পাৰ সেকেন্ড কি কয় একচুয়ালি হোৱাট ইজ ওয়ার্ক ডান পাৰ সেকেন্ড ওয়ার্ক ডান power develop, that is called power. Work rate of doing work is called power. So work done per second is power. That means ami jodi work done koisu work done to hoy per second jodi hoy, that is actually the power developed by the engine. Teti ami per second boli nokau, teti simply power kom. Etia loke ami hekane work done likhi asu aru koisu je per second, this much of work done per second. Work done or unit tot ami etiao aha nai, unit tot ahim. Etia saba jodi etuk ami watts boli kom, work done per second is called the eta unit hol watts. Ketia watt hobo? Ketia watt hoy? Newton meter per second is 1 watt. That means 1 Newton force, displacement 1 meter, time taken 1 second, that is called 1 watt. Gotike ei unit to PM ki hobo? Newton per meter square. L is in meter and area is in meter. Gote keta jodi multiply kora ko hobo PM whole Newton per meter square, L whole meter aru A whole meter square. আৰু লগতে per second হৈ আছে this much of per second এটা থাকি যাব second. meter square গ'ল থাকিলে Newton meter per second. That is called joule per second. Sorry. That is called joule per second. Joule per second is called the watt. আৰু যদি আমি আৰু অলপ আগবাঢ়ি যাওঁ watt 1000 watt means kilowatt. যদি ইয়াক আমি 1000 এদি ডিভাইড কৰোঁ then that is called the kilowatt. So kilowatt is the work developed by the engine inside the cylinder. What this much of kilowatt is developed. That is called power. এতিয়া আৰু আমি per second নকওঁ তাৰমানে per second already সোমাই আছে work done is Newton meter বা joule যেহেতু আমি watt কৈছোঁ বা kilowatt কৈছোঁ গতিকে per second তো তাতে সোমাই থাকিব So finally we get a formula for IP indicated power IP kilowatt লৈ convert কৰিবলৈ 1000 because 1000 watt equal to 1 kilowatt so that is why we divide by 1000 so this is the final formula in SI unit this is in SI unit standard international unit এতিয়া আসল কথা লৈ আইছো আমি ইঞ্জিন এতিয়ালৈকে 4 stroke engine নে 2 stroke engine এতিয়ালৈকে আমি একো কোৱা নাই আমি এতিয়াই এইটোই কথা কৈ আছিলো যে n is number of power stroke এতিয়া চোৱা for 4 stroke IC engine number of power stroke n to jodi ami janu n is the rpm engine to g2 speed ot ghurise revolution per minute jodi 4 stroke engine eta 1000 rpm ot ghore tenele tat kimanta power stroke thakibo bijit eta engine 4000 rpm ot jodi run kore rpm mane janan hoy কি
revolution
per minute good so capital N is revolution per minute eta engine jodi 1000 revolution per minute hoy rpm tenhele tat 4 stroke engine tat power stroke keita thakibo 500 keneke hase kiya hoy
n/2
formula to bad de enei ko ami je ki janu for 4 stroke engine or conception ot ki asil 4 stroke engine ka koy 4 stroke is 2 revolution hoy na 2 revolution of crankshaft 2 revolution of crankshaft tat keita power stroke thake 1 power stroke thake that means 2 revolution of jodi 1 power stroke thake n revolution of n by 2 power stroke thakibo so ei formula to indicated horsepower 4 stroke engine or karone kene koa hobo aru 2 stroke engine or karone kene koa hobo saba for 2 stroke engine 1 revolution equal to 1 power stroke that is why small n equal to capital N gotike formula to kene koa hobo 2 stroke aru 4 stroke engine or karone IP কিমান হ'ব PM মানৱ যদি L A divided by 60 into 1000 আমি ৰাখি দিম 4 stroke engine ৰ কাৰণে কি লিখিম small n নিলিখো small n ৰ জায়গাত আমি লিখিম capital N divided by 2 তাকে জানিবা আমি এনেকেও লিখিব পাৰো PM L A N divided by 2 into 60 into 1000 kilowatt. This is for what? 4 stroke engine. 4 stroke engine. 2 stroke engine karone ki hobo 2 stroke engine power is simply same. Ekei thakibo IP equal to PM L A small n or that jagat ami capital N likhim because small n equal to capital N 1 revolution of 1 power stroke thake divided by 60 into 1000 etia tumaloke ei duita formula swa eitu formula aru eitu formula car power besi hobo
2 stroke
besi hobo সো ফৰ্মুলাৰ মতে কিমান বেছি হয় টু ষ্ট্ৰকত পাৱাৰ কিমান টুৱাইচ 2 times more than the 4-stroke engine এতিয়া তোমালোকে চাগে ক্লিয়াৰ বুজি পাইছা আগতে যে আমি কৈ আহিছিলো যে 2-stroke ইঞ্জিনৰ পাৱাৰ বেছি হয়নে বেছি পাৱাৰ এতিয়া গম পালানে ক্যালকুলেশন ম্যাথমেটিক্স says power is more হয়নে নহয়
হয় স্যার
হয় so 2-stroke engines are more powerful বাকি কিন্তু সব একে থাকিব লাগিব হা pm l a n সব একে থাকিলে একে যদি কনফিগাৰেশন লওঁ তেতিয়া হলে 2-stroke engine is more powerful than 4-stroke engine কিয় দুটা রিভলিউশন থাকাৰ কাৰণে এইটো এই n এটো ক্যাপিটাল n হল এটো ক্যাপিটাল n divided by 2 so this way now it should be okay for you তাকে তোমালোকৰ মেট্ৰিক ইউনিটত কি হয় চাবা IHP equal to PM L A N divided by 4500 unit to hobo HP horsepower metric unit আৰু তেতিয়া আমি PM to kg force per centimeter square লিখো L to মিটাৰত লিখো আকৌ area আমি centimeter square এই centimeter square cancel যাব ultimately it will be kg force meter per minute আৰু এইটোকে যদি আমি HP লৈ কনভাৰ্ট কৰো you have to divide it by 4500 that will become HP horsepower hobo now we'll discuss about efficiency of IC engine or efficiency ki ase there is one efficiency called the indicated thermal efficiency represented by eta I means indicated formula to ki eta I equal to indicated power IHP ta mane IP ba IHP divided by fuel energy originally energy to kor para paisile fuel or para paisile fuel or para etia kiman power develop korile IP so IP divided by fuel energy that is the efficiency of a engine and that indicated power loa karone tak koa hoy indicated thermal efficiency so this is the ratio so indicated power ok ami IP boli likhisu fuel energy to ki hoy what is fuel like man energy dibo by formula mf multiplied by cv cv is the calorific value of fuel generally your unit to hoy mf jodi tumar hoy goi kg of fuel per hour boli dhora multiplied by cv calorific value is kilojoule per kg of fuel so kg goi pele ami ki pam kilojoule per hour pam tak hoyto ami kilojoule per second dot nibo laga hobo pare depends so this is the formula for indicated power generally mf is expressed in kg of fuel per hour gotike if ei bostu to ki hoy ip er unit ki asil kilowatt now etor unit ki hol kilojoule etor pora ami palo kilojoule per hour kintu amak lage kilojoule per second koribole ki koribo lagibo kilojoule per hour ok ami second loi jodi new then you have to ki koribo lagibo 60 into 60 prothome minute tarusot second ha 3600 then it will become kilojoule per second gotike tolot jodi ami kilojoule per second hoy tene hole ultimately formula to ki hobo ip into 3600 divided by mf into cv hobo this is called the indicated thermal efficiency of IC engine why indicated thermal efficiency because ami indicated power ip to ami consider korisu যদি ইণ্ডিকেটেড পাৱাৰ নলৈ আমি ব্ৰেক পাৱাৰ লওঁ দেন দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড ব্ৰেক থাৰ্মেল এফিচিয়েঞ্চি ব্ৰেক থাৰ্মেল এফিচিয়েঞ্চি ইজ BP ডিভাইডেড বাই চেম কেৱল ইয়াটোক আমি যদি MF টো যদি কিলো জুল কেজি পাৰ আৱাৰ থাকে তাক আমি পাৰ সেকেন্ড নিলে কি হ'ব এইটো ফৰ্মুলা BP into 3600 একে ইউনিট হ'ব লাগিব ওপৰতো তলতো and MF into CV into 100 যদি মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰো that is the percentage efficiency আমি percentageত এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰিব পাৰো so that is called break thermal efficiency because আমি power to BP break power to consider কৰিছো there is another term called mechanical efficiency indicated power to cylinder available hoy aru brake power to kot available hoy crankshaft so cylinder pora ba piston pora crankshaft loi jaunte loss hoy aru hey loss kini friction adi enekwa kiba kibi loss hoy so that loss is called mechanical loss and that is why this efficiency is called the mechanical efficiency agot asil thermal ami ei MF into CV etu thermal energy tak ami ki hole convert korisu BP loi convert hoise brake power loi heat is converted that is why this efficiency is called thermal efficiency related to heat now this transmission is mechanical transmission IP pora ki hole goise BP pistonor pora goi crankshaft paise and this is mechanical efficiency is brake power divided by IP indicated power so these are the formula for this etu jodi ami eneke bujiboloi chesta koru originally ami ki paisilu prothom first to ki asile so what is this is fuel jodi burn koru fuel burn korile it will give us heat Q ba heat boli kobo paru so this is thermal energy ei thermal energy goi ami ki palo goi IP indicated energy power gotike IP divided by thermal energy that means thermal energy mane Q ami Q boli kobo paru what is Q IP divided by MF into IP divided by MF into CV so this is called indicated thermal efficiency ako ami jodi BP consider koro this is BP so thermal or pora energy pora ami BP major to bad delu tetia hale tak ami ki kom BP divided by Q means what BP divided by MF into CV MF into CV hetuke ami kom heat energy thermal energy ako etur pora etu loi jaute ki loss hoise mechanical loss this loss is mechanical ako air pora yaloi ahote ki loss hoise thermal loss heat loss hoise ako etur pora etu loi jaute ki loss hoise heat loss hoise that is why duta efficiency ami palo thermal efficiency take jani ba eta koiso ami indicated thermal efficiency and the other one is brake thermal efficiency from IP to BP indicated power to brake power the loss is mechanical loss and that is why it is called mechanical efficiency